This split pea soup is incredible. It's so flavorful and unbelievably cozy. It's also super easy to make with simple ingredients. We love the ham in this soup, but you can totally make it vegetarian if you prefer. We'll start with the base of our soup: onion, carrot, celery, and garlic. Next, we'll add flavor to our soup pot and cook some cubed ham steak. Cook until it starts to sizzle and then transfer it to a bowl for later. Add your veggies and cook them until softened. Then in go our split peas, a couple of bay leaves, and a bundle of thyme. Add a generous splash of white wine, then let it simmer away, and don't forget to scrape the bottom of the pot. Finally, pour in your broth. Now simmer until the split peas are tender. For me, that's about 50 minutes. Then we can prep our ham. We like it chopped, so we use a blender. I know it sounds a little weird. Just pulse it a few times until it's nicely chopped. Now blend your soup, but don't forget to remove the thyme and bay leaves. I add a couple teaspoons of mustard and some fresh parsley, and then use an immersion blender right in the soup pot since it's easy. To serve, add some of that delicious chopped ham to the bottom of your bowl, ladle in the pretty green soup, and then top it off with a dollop of sour cream, more ham, and some sliced green onions. Oh my goodness, it is so good. See you next time.